China and ASEAN vow to enhance ties for combating COVID-19 pandemic. In Indonesia, death toll has risen to 34 while 100 were injured in a powerful earthquake that shocked the Sulawesi Island today on Friday. North Korea has unveiled a new type of submarine-launched ballistic missile. WHO says ensuring equitable access of all countries to COVID vaccine is top priority. The United States has blacklisted 9 Chinese military companies. The United Nations has called upon the world leaders to urgently step up action to tackle climate change. Delhi-based newspaper The India Express has criticized Modi-led BJP government in India for undermining the parliament and democracy in the country. US down to 2,500 troops in Afghanistan as ordered by Trump.